YouTube, Sonny's Fancy Pigeons Loft. Sonny's Fancy Pigeons Loft here. Some birds up in the air. Got a couple on the tree there. Just a couple there around there somewhere. But there you go, got some out there. They haven't been out in about a week or two because of the hawk. I know there was one here earlier, but it's all right. They gotta come out. See that right there? It's a youngster coming out for the first time. But beautiful day out here. Blue bar. Yep. Some are staying close to the nest. They got them. Not sure if they got eggs, but oh, beautiful. The sun's coming out. As you can see, we got some snow last night, yesterday, all day. There you go. It's turning out to be a beautiful day. Hopefully it won't snow again, but we're in like the 40 degrees right now. Not too bad. Snow's melting, which is good. Looks like they're coming back down. As you can see that beautiful sun. It's out. Yeah, don't land on the tree. It's not a good thing, buddy. That'll send them back up probably. Yeah, they're coming back down. As you can see.
Let them out?
Yeah. Uh-huh. They're coming back down. Hawk may show up, may not. Let's see. YouTube world, Sonny's Fancy Pigeons Loft. Enjoying this beautiful day. As you can see, oh, they're going back up. They're going back up. That's a good thing. Yep. Got some of the birds out here. As you can see all the snow. Doing a little cleaning with this loft here. With this kit box. My wife's stupid. Oh, my wife's funny. So, doing a little bit of cleaning. Not too bad. It's a brand new coop. Has the booties in here. Just do a little cleaning real quick. Get everything done. As you can see, everybody here. They're still up there. They're out there, y'all. Sonny's Fancy Pigeons Loft. Over and out. Bye, como. Peace.